baking time, and I want to show you what we're making for baking today. Today you're going to make your own medal. So these are the things that I am using in my kitchen. You might have something different, but you can try and make more or less the same. So you're going to need biscuits. I'm just going to use Marie biscuits. You're going to need icing sugar. I'm using green food coloring to make a green icing. And then I found some Smarties. I found some of these pills that's edible that you can decorate with. And these are like a gold color sprinkle and some colored hundreds and thousands. All right, so and you need ribbon. You need a ribbon. Don't forget about the ribbon, because that's an important part of your medal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my ribbon first. So I'm going to take my green icing that I've made already. Let's give it a mix again. All right, I'm going to take a spoonful. I hope you've washed your hands, because you can get messy and use your hands for this baking. And remember, only lick your fingers once you're done. All right. Put icing on the one side. Then I'm going to take my ribbon, make sure it's in half, fold it in half like that. So I'm going to connect the two ends like that and stick it onto the icing. I'm going to take the other part of the cookie and cover it. Okay, so that needs to dry before you put it on your neck, around your neck. I'm going to take some more icing. I'm going to put it on top. You can use a spoon or a knife to spread it all around, or you can even use your fingers so you can lick it afterwards. Make sure you cover all around your cookie so it's everywhere's got icing. There we go. All right, what shall I do? I think I'm going to make a flower pattern with my Smarties. Do you think I could do that? Let's see. That will be the petals for my Smartie flower. I'm going to make a colourful one. Let's see, I need one more maybe. There we go. Now I'm going to decorate it with these pearly beads all around. There we go. I'm not going to put them too close to each other. I just want them like that, a bit further apart. It's going to be so fun eating this yummy medal that you're making. Let's put some sprinkles in between to make it colourful. Put some of these sprinkles on. You don't have to put all of it on. You can just put some of it on. There we go. And there you've made a beautiful medal that you can hang around your neck. Easy. I hope you have fun making cookie medals today. I'd love to see some photos, and I'm sure Teacher Megan would also love to see some from the bumblebees. Have fun!